today we're at the new mall in Pagadian from the Philippines. We buy KFC, which is nuggets. It's halang and yummy at the same time. I'm so
Approve. Ewan na rin.
Choco.
Ewan na rin Abel.
Okay. Guys, tried KFC before. We tried this from KFC before. Let me know in the comments.
Send ako sa comment page. Let's go sa basher.